Hello! Imagine this situation. You need to make an urgent decision, but all you hear is noise and contradictions. That's when it's important to have a clear signal you can trust. I use two simple indicators, the super trend and the CCI. They act as a filter, removing everything unnecessary and leaving you with a clear answer. Today I'll explain how this works in practice, how to make money using these indicators, and why they are enough to be confident. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I'm setting the candles to classic with a 15-second time frame. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the Super Trend and the CCI. Let's configure the Super Trend first, set multiplier to 2.5 and save. Let's configure the CCI, set period to 10, go to Style, set background to gray. Let's set main line to turquoise, the width is 2. And let's move the opacity of lines 100 and minus 100 to the right. And save. So, the indicators are ready to go, and if you are trading on your phone, set it up the same way. The first entry opens the day brightly. The expiration time is 1 minute and I'm opening a long trade for $2,000. First, let's take a look at the Super Trend indicator readings. The appearance of a green line under the candles is the first and very important signal that indicates the beginning of an uptrend. Such a moment often forms at the very beginning of the movement and provides an opportunity to enter the market even before a strong impulse develops. We get the second confirmation from the CCI indicator. Here, the turquoise line has crossed the yellow upper line from bottom to top, which is an additional sign that the trend is changing direction and growth is beginning to form. The start is inspiring. I'm recording a profit of $1,840. Such a start immediately adds energy and confidence. Do you want to receive fresh analysis and real trading strategies every day? Then please join my free Telegram channel. Here we discuss the market, share our experiences, and support each other. And if something's unclear after watching this video, you can write to me and I'll help you figure it out. The link to the channel is in the description, so please join in and grow with us. On this channel you will find useful insights and tips that really help you work more confidently in the market. A few moments later, a new situation arises. I'm setting the expiration time to 1 minute and opening a long trade for $2,000. The candles on the chart show a powerful momentum, and it's immediately clear that the market is ready to move into a prolonged and confident upward trend. Such large momentum candles always indicate strong buyer activity and the fact that there is a lot of energy concentrated in the movement. Each new candlestick only confirms this sentiment. The dynamics look stable, the momentum is gaining strength, and the uptrend is gradually becoming more and more obvious. If this pattern continues, there is a high probability that the growth will continue and the accumulated energy will be realized further, pushing the price to new levels. Let's see. Excellent performance. There is another $1,840 in profit. The balance is growing and trading feels easy and confident. The next moment is not long in coming. With an expiration of 1 minute, I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. After a short respite, the price again shows a confident downward movement with no signs of reversal. The candles are clearly aligned in the direction of the trend, creating a smooth and easy-to-read structure of the downward momentum. The signal looks as clear as possible. Sellers continue to hold the initiative, and the dynamics fully confirm the strength of the current movement. Judging by the picture, the trend has every chance of developing further, so I expect the decline to continue and this momentum to be realized. A joyful result! There is another $1,840 in profit. The balance is moving steadily upward and the session is going smoothly. The final entry for today looks strong, so I'm setting the timer for 1 minute and opening a short trade for $2,000. After a long and steady climb, the market is clearly starting to lose steam. The candles are getting noticeably shorter, the momentum is weakening, and the dynamics no longer look as confident as before. This suggests that buyers are gradually losing momentum and cannot maintain the previous pace of movement. The direction on the chart begins to change and the first signs of a reversal appear. The signals become more and more pronounced: a slowdown in growth, a weakening of momentum, and a change in the structure of the candles. And all this together creates a clear picture of an impending downward movement. Thus, the signal for a downward reversal can be considered clear and fairly reliable. Judging by the current situation, the probability of the market entering a downward phase is extremely high, which means that a new stage of the downward trend may begin ahead. Let's see. And I'm ending the day on a high note. There's another $1,840 in profit. My balance is up to $21,423, which makes the session's result truly impressive. Well, the final result is encouraging. The balance grew from $14,063 to $21,423. Each entry was carefully calculated and the strategy proved to be stable and reliable. Friends, if you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!